Hello, TradingView. Afternoon. It's just past 4 o'clock here in London, or London time. I actually don't live in London, but yeah, I'm gonna just give you an update of the trade I put on yesterday, the leverage trade on Binance. Yeah, so I basically put a trade on in the evening. It was probably 9, 10 p.m. and I basically walked away from it. I had no stops on it. It was basically floating free, right? And why was I comfortable doing it? Because I didn't have 20, 30, 40x leverage on it. Binance offers what I think 125 max, which is ludicrous. So I was able to put the trade on and not check it through the night and sleep well. I don't sleep too long. I only sleep 4 or 5 hours, right? So that being said, I didn't wake up once and check my phone, the portfolio, whatever. So yeah, I was very comfortable. And so let's just see what happened. So today's the 7th. Let's say I put it on at 10 o'clock, right? It was around here, I believe. I thought it was around here. Maybe it was around here. Let's just say it was here, okay? This is a 45 minutes chart. I've got a slow stochastics showing right now, just to have some reference point. I don't really need it, but I didn't use any indicators when I put the trade on. So yeah, it was just chopping around during the course of the night, and it took a dump. Okay, how deep was the dump? I mean, not much really. I mean, went from there to there, right? So I don't know what the headlines or news event was. I don't really care, but let's see if we can zoom out a little. And amazing, look, this doesn't look. How could this be bearish, right? If you just draw like a top, I'm going to say continue. It's the top is moving up, right? It's kind of flowing up. The bottoms are compressing from the bottom side. And look, if this is a new local bottom, it's not even touching this or getting near this line I kind of drew earlier. So we can actually get rid of this. Oh, yeah, get rid of it. We don't need it. Let's zoom out a little. On the 3 hour, this looks a little bit cleaner. And look, Stokes are already starting to hook up. So all good in the hood, right? I don't know how you could possibly think this is going to roll over. Let's get rid of that as well. Don't need that. Weekly, Stokes, solid, right? Locked in. It seems like 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 weeks locked in. 6. It never came out of this zone. Look at that. Wow, look how far back it's been in what people may consider overbought. It's not overbought. This is strong as anything, right? Let's go down to the daily. Okay, on here, okay, we kind of see some action, but if you look back, it can go down into the 70s and pop back up again. Why not? Look, do you want to be short this market? So you need a reference point. So that's why, okay, the 18-day average, just some sort of reference point. We're above it. So you should be looking for longs above the 18, in my opinion. Again, it's just my opinion. What are we now? 56,819. So I put the trade on at, I think it was 58,000. So, and my liquidation point was, I think it was like 49,000, all the way down here. So yeah, like I said, I could go to bed comfortably, knowing that if it does take a $5,000 dump, The game is still not over, right? But the game I'm seeing is upward pressure for up moves. 100k. Do we get it in this push? I don't know. We might get close. 80 is on the cards right now. Definitely 80. $80,000 in Bitcoin in May, I believe. So may have a good push here, up to 80, come back down and test these tops at 60, and chop around, and then make the push for 100. I don't know. It's up to the market, right? But saying all that, stuff has gone down today, apart from Hex, which is doing amazing things. And if you haven't been on this website, graphhex.rocks, it will show you how well Hex has done over the years. I mean, because it's now in its third year. Can you believe that? Hex launched in December 2019. We're in 2021. So this is the price of Hex. And it goes back, look, December 17th. Okay. It's got a lot of history. It's not new anymore. It's getting mature. Anyway, back to Nomics. We're going to find some shitcoin. Oh, I can't say S coins anymore because I got a little warning from TradingView. So altcoins season. I'm just going to find something that's got beaten up today and see if it's dead or it's going to make a comeback. So something that's also talked about. I've talked about the link before being a triple digit. That's kind of obvious, right? Fader. Could it be triple digit? From 12 to 100? Oof. Possible. Really could be possible, but let's say next target's $60 or $50, Bcash, that's boring. Hex, number 13, up 3 spots. 10%, great. Okay, here we've got our first one. First candidate. Big dump today. And it's something that I believe is on Coinbase. It's a kind of VC invested kind of thing. So I'm going to plot that in a minute. I'm just going to take a little quick break myself. Right back. Okay, so I'm going to put on Filecoin, FIL. So let's get the Tether USD because this came up first. Why not? Okay. Let's see now. It's had a great run, right? Fantastic 2021. Let's do the candles. Bar lines. That's not very clear, is it? Okay, candles. Here we go. Yeah, what's this low? $19, $20. Amazing performance. What a top at 248. Well, imagine catching this one, eh? But okay, it's having a pullback now. So let's draw some Fibonacci's. That's like what everyone does, right? Or maybe you don't even need to do it. Look, it just came back to the 18, right? Yeah, let's not do Fibonacci's. Let's not draw extra lines. Let's just go down to 4 hour. And I don't really like candles, to be honest. Go back to my area chart. There it is, much cleaner and clearer. Let's put on momentum structure. Mike Oliver's coin. Okay. Yeah, this has been a pretty hard dump for you, hasn't it? 240 to 180. Oh, what? 238 to 142. Wow, $100 gone. So this could be a potential. And look where it's come down to. Yeah, and kind of we may have bottomed out on the momentum, right? It could be done for its down move. Let's go down to the 2 hours. Yeah, this is something to keep an eye on, because if it has big time investors, do you think they're done doing a 10x, 12x? Don't they want a 50x? Don't they want to get up to 1,000? Maybe. At least into this region here. Look, it seems to be like tilting forward, right? Kind of, you can see the push, and it seems to want to go again. So yeah, Filecoin USDT. That's your one altcoin to look at. Maybe pick up. Okay, next one. Next one that's kind of talked about and took a dump today. Luna, I've heard that. Yeah, so I'm not going to pick a coin that's around in 2017. It's got to be fresh. So Luna, let's do that. Luna. USDT. Let's see how much time. So we've got 11 minutes on the clock. Okay, so I'll just whip through these. Again, look, wow, similar pattern to Filecoin. So that's telling you something. Oh, wow, look at this. This is looking better than Filecoin because it's resting on the 0 line, right? It could be ready to accumulate again. Again, momentum, bottomed, price. It's done at A, B, C. What's a D? A D's up, all right. Even if it goes here and goes down, you can still very tradable. 15, 18. Get rid of that. What if it goes higher? What if it challenges the high and it comes back? So yeah, okay, Luna, add that to your watch list. Could be good. Let's see what else. BTT. Yeah, I've seen that was around as well. Has more time. Oh yeah, I got time. BTT. Let's do it on here so I can keep an eye to watch the clock. But isn't this Justin Sun's project? I think I see it floating around on Twitch or something. There's some use case going on with this token, right? Let's keep it consistent. So the high, 1 penny and a third. So up here, so the candles won't show on this line chart, but I've got it set up so you can see the highs, right? So yeah, it may come down. Ooh, will it come down all the way? I don't know. Not if it's a bull market, proper alt season, is it? So it may chop around slightly, or it may just come back and go again like it did here. Like it's so far away from the 18 line. That's strength, right? Stokes are still curled over, but so maybe wait till the stochastics come down to 50, right? That's my call. Wait till that stochastic comes down to here and starts hooking back over. So what have we done? We've done Filecoin. There's looking potential. BTT, BitTorrent, good. Let's do 1 or 2 more. Let's have a look here. AAVE. Yeah, let's do AAVE. Why not? Like I said, I don't know what any of these coins do anymore. They're completely different coin market lineup now. So they're completely different to what I'm used to, like Litecoins and Dashes and Moneros. They're still around, obviously, but it's not something that people seem to be too concerned about or excited about. They want the new stuff, right? Everybody wants something new and flashy. So AAVE, let's go on the weekly. So $25 to, wow, almost $600. And this, what's it doing? High, low, high. This is slightly lower. High, slightly lower than that. But it seems to be bottoming, right? It's not bearish. Not bearish at all. So yeah, popped back up to 18. And now this is key, right? Today's action. Yeah, so you want to see it kind of hang on to the 18 before you entering position. And look, the momentum's gone negative. So add this to your watch list, but it seems like it wants to come back a little bit more around maybe 340, 350, around this zone, right? So AAVE, but AAVE has potential for like $1,000. I think you're going to see a lot of $1,000 coins essentially, right? Potential if it's a full alt season coin, right? Okay, got one more. Time for one more. Anything interesting? Yeah, on to okay. Well, no, I don't want to do pancake. Synthetics. Okay, let's look at synthetics. SNX. I know this is one of Binance's projects, right? I think it's something to do. Well, actually, it doesn't really matter what it does. Does it really? But something to do like tokenizing assets, right? Synthetic assets, right? That's the name. So that's a nice little entry zone over here. You could have drawn a downtrend line, right? And you do your inverse head and shoulders here. So that gave you the push up. So you had two entries, 1, 2, and this run from 5, 15, went to all the way to 28. So, wow. Can you draw a wave for like, 1, 2, 3? That's the meat of the move, right? Third wave, fourth wave consolidation. So the fifth wave could even match the wave 3, which is rare, but it's possible, right? Or it's shorter and truncated and kind of fizzles out over here, or it's actually the fifth wave could be the longest. So let's draw that up here. Okay, and so let's just say $50. Synthetics 250. All right. Yeah. Okay. So my time is up. What did I talk about today? Filecoin, BTT, synthetics, and AAVE. So that's 4 good ones you could pick up today on the dip. Okay. Talk to you guys later. Bye.